seeing this message on your Samsung? For your security, this app is blocked from installing. Let's fix the unknown app blocked error in under a minute. This happens when Android blocks apps from outside the Play Store. We'll turn on one safe setting so your chosen app can install. First, when you see the error, tap the settings button on the pop-up. If you close it, don't worry. We'll get there from the main settings app too. Now we'll go through it step by step, just like a screen recording. Settings and security or privacy. Then install unknown apps. Follow along and pause if you need to. The key is to only enable this with one app or source you trust. All right, let's jump into settings and fix that unknown app block message now. On your Samsung home screen, swipe up and tap the settings app, the gray gear icon. Scroll down and tap security and privacy. On some phones, it might just be called privacy or security. Inside, look for install unknown apps. If you see more security settings first, tap that, then tap install unknown apps. Now you'll see a list of apps and sources. Find the app you're using to install, like Chrome, Samsung Internet, or your file manager, and tap it. On that apps page, turn on allow from this source. The switch should slide to the right and turn blue or green. Go back to your installer and try again. The app should now install without the unknown app blocked error. As long as the app itself is safe and trusted,